Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 12 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this nail foil Poinsettia water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Before I get started, I've cut off a few strips of nail foil, and I'm just going to begin by cleaning off the backs with 99% alcohol, and that will help with the transfer. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Madame Glam's peel off base, and you can use whichever you prefer. For my base color today, I'm going to be using OPI Black Onyx. Then I'm going to be marbling with that, as well as Dark Side of the Mood. Before I start marbling, I'm going to protect around my nails. I'm going to be using tape around the sides, and then around the cuticles, I'll be using liquid latex. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, you can draw in a flower design. I'm going to bring it in from the outside toward the center, keeping it fairly simple since we'll be tracing this. And then once I have all the petals in, I'll be flicking out the edges so that they're pointed. Once you've drawn your pattern, decide where you want to dip your nails, and then go ahead, line them up in the water, and dip in. With your orange stick, go ahead and clean up any of the excess polish from the surface so that it won't stick on your design. And then I'm going to go ahead and slowly pull out. As you can see, it popped that little bubble there, and there's the shadow marble. I'm going to go ahead and grab the tape with my tweezers to remove my protection, and then I'm going to finish marbling the rest of my nails. I'm going to go ahead and do some cleanup, getting any larger areas with a Q-tip, and then getting in close around the nail with a small brush dipped in acetone, as I usually do. And then I will be using a quick dry top coat in order to speed up the dry time. To stick my foils, I'm going to be using this gel adhesive from Miss Cheering. I've got a small cardboard lid that I'm going to use to put some of it out. And then I'm going to be using a small nail art brush to apply the foils one at a time. I'm going to be starting with the green, which I know it's very hard to see on camera, but I'm basically using the off black petals as my guide, and the green are going to be the outermost petals, and they are going to be representative of the leaves. So some nails are really not going to have very much green at all. Then there will be red prominently in the center, and gold more toward the cuticle or the side of the nail. So I'm going to begin by doing this, and I think I'll flash carrot, since this is not like a lot that I'm painting on here. I'm going to flash carrot every 2 nails. That will probably change to every nail once I get to the red. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the foil and just apply it everywhere where the small green leaf accents are. Next, I'll be moving on to the red, and for this I'll be flash curing every nail since it's a slightly larger area that I'm painting. Now that that's cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply the red, and just like the green, stick it on and then buff it on. I have a few spots where the red did not stick to my satisfaction, so what I'm actually going to do is add a little bit more of the foil adhesive, re-cure, and re-stick the foil. Finally, I'm going to be adding some adhesive to the center, and this is where the gold is going to go. If you have any spots that need filling in, or any spots where maybe you got foil in the wrong color section, you can touch up like I did with the red. And for a final touch up, I'm actually going to use a little bit of Madame Glam Perfect Black to touch up the black lines. Finally, I'm going to finish with top coat, and today I'm using Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I've been looking forward to this one since we did the brainstorming, and it turned out so much like what I wanted it to. I think it's really a perfect finale for this year's series. If you've missed any of the 12 days, I have a peely from each one here. We started out with the magnetic multichrome ornaments, followed by the magnetic multichrome water marble, the icicle nail vinyls, followed by the icicle water marble, the textured sugar plum dotacure, followed by the sugar plum water marble, the glitter placement waterfall, followed by the glitter placement water marble, the gunmetal coal using the bubble technique, followed by the gunmetal water marble, which I did mattify, and of course just yesterday the nail foil Christmas tree. If you would like to check out any of those, if you missed them when they were first posted, there will be links down in the description box. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this nail foil poinsettia look, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live, where I streamed every single day of this series, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear down in the comments which is your favorite design from the series, and I hope you guys all have a very safe and happy holidays. If you enjoyed this or any of the series, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.